I love the note. Please carefully read all instructions before use. Zero instructions. What's going on, guys? So in today's video we are back working on the Focus. We're going to be doing the radio. It's going to be switching it out to the what they call it, like Tesla style, and it's going to be the big touch screen. But before that, check out this new part I put on. Check out the new honeycomb grill. Looks so much better on this. Let me back up. AP's in the way.
Let me turn off the fans. At least this one.
I like this front end now so much better with that. Still have LED fog lights coming in. Hopefully they'll be in here soon. Basically in 2 weeks I have a big Focus meetup to go to. So I want it to be all done for that. Hopefully AP can go. And maybe a few other Focus friends from around the area. But it looks like it's going to be a pretty big one. And it's actually one of our first videos we did, which is held down in Daytona. So we'll have another video based on that as well. So let's get started on that radio. We of course have the main unit. It's going to be the tall one. There's a narrower version, but I like the look of this one better. I'm not the biggest fan of chrome, so I don't know if I'll do anything about that. But for the rest of it, there's these two brackets. I'm not too sure what exactly they do. I'm guessing it's something to do at the bottom, but we'll figure that out when we get there. And then the bag of wires with, of course, you know, not complete English writing. Hopefully this will have the GPS in it, as well as the link ups for all the steering wheel controls. So it just replaces everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and hope this turns out good. Here is, of course, the before shot of the radio. The stock system with the Ford sync, my sync, whatever. And the first thing we gotta do is take off this little bracket on the bottom, which has torque spits, and then it just pulls right out. Okay, so using the Focus T25, I'm gonna go ahead and take out these screws. And pulls right out. Shut this off now. Alright, so that's going to pull out. And then, of course, you have the bolt, or the one connection on the very back. Alright, so that's off. And then...
I love the way you kiss, the way you ride. I love the way your breath is with the wine. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dreams we have since we're the wild, and I will never let you go. Eventually.
Alright guys, so we're back. We've gone through all the wiring because there, like we said, there's no instructions. So there's which one is one? Alright, so that's the wrong one. Already starting that thing. So there's the GPS signal we just found. Yeah.
That's the GPS antenna.
Then what's actually really cool is all the factory stuff plugs into these wire harnesses they gave you, like directly in. Like this is the antenna, then there's a power antenna if you have that. Different attachments for it. Like here's some audio outs. And this whole big area here. And this was the one for behind the screen, I think, right? Yeah, that was a screen one. So yeah, that whole little adapter, that's really cool. I actually really like that. Haven't figured out what this one does yet. So as you can see, everything's in whatever.
For language, this
Airbag.
is.
Oh. We'll figure it out. But yeah, we got this far, so we're just gonna keep going. Alright, so we're currently just gonna plug this stuff in.
I don't think this does anything either.
For this plug?
No, it doesn't fit. It's got tabs on it.
Oh, wait, no. It goes down here. Move this up.
Ah!
Alright, so this one from the bottom runs into the bottom here. We have the main plug here. We have the CAN bus, which is going to translate to the CAN system in the car. What is this guy is audio out, so we don't need that.
These are.
What are you? This is a 2-prong. I don't know where that goes.
I don't know where that goes.
Let's turn it on real quick and see what happens. You're hitting the
Well, at least that works.
turns on. That's probably not good.
Might be doing that because the door is broken. Apparently this takes a while though.
Wow, that's super annoying. Let me close the door.
Okay, that's kind of weird. Oh, you know why? The back door is open. The power cord for the light.
Go ahead and plug the antenna in.
Oh.
Big hole.
I could plug the GPS antenna in too, but I think I'm sitting on. Yeah.
Seems to be missing some channels.
Oops. Hey, the door's locked. Doors work.
Okay, so doors, when you actually close the back door, the doors work.
I'm screwing it in.
Alright, so we know power's on, we know everything seems to be okay now. Let's go ahead and unplug everything, turn this off, So while we're trying to figure out this USB issue, I went ahead and stripped down the vents and went ahead and put them over here. It's really easy. Couldn't really show you and do it at the same time. But yeah, you just pull these tabs on either side, as well as the one right here. And that just lifts out of the unit and just transfers directly over. That looks pretty good. I'm not too worried about the chrome, I guess, on there. Yeah, but this is the only issue is the USB plugs. So figure this out. I mean, there's other smaller plugs that we're not quite sure what they're for, like this one, and there's another one in here somewhere. I mean, most of these are capped and don't need them, but it's just kind of strange that there's a few that just don't seem like they go anywhere. No, I know where this one goes. I know where this one goes. Where's the other ones? I don't know where they go. This one. This is one I have no idea. Comes out of that unit and it's just there.
Is this the same head unit for the STs?
Hey, this is a universal kit, I guess.
Might be. ST.
Maybe. Yeah, so I mean, if it comes down to it, we'll just run the USB out of the back and bring it up to the side, I guess.
Why don't we just do that now? Just be done with this section.
Yeah. Oh, and there's a speaker.
Yeah, apparently there's a random speaker that Sarah got too.
Wait.
Is that cool?
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Looks like it'll fit.
It's a trap!
Okay.
Alright guys, so we got this front plate on. The front plates, there's two of them that are supplied. This is the one I needed. It fits like just inside the grooves. I didn't quite know how to do it, but I got them to fit by putting this in and then kind of just bending these in very carefully. But now there's screws that go along. AP's gonna go ahead and put those in.
Yeah, there's screws. There's one that goes, not that you guys can see, one here, one like under here, which we might have to pop these out, and then the same on the other side.
You might be able to get to it right there.
Yeah, we'll see. So we're like trying to figure out how this was gonna fit, and then we didn't realize that Anthony set the screws down somewhere. So yeah, we found them. We're like, oh, okay.
I mean, it snaps in now, so it's a pretty firm setting, but yeah, we'll go ahead and put the screws in.
If I can get the bag open, that would be awesome.
Yeah, we went ahead and ran the GPS line down. I went ahead and attached it to the wiring. AP ran it down
GPS,
through there.
Yeah, goes
and
underneath here.
Currently up top here.
I popped out the glove box here, popped out this panel here, ran it up, and then stuck it up here, and we'll stick it over there somewhere.
Yeah, hide it up there. Haven't ran the USB yet. That'll be in a minute once we get this done, and then get this little mess of a wiring cluster out. All nice figured out. Which I don't even know if I can clean this up, but we'll try. And I got the speaker just down inside. Maybe it's like a part of the Android system.
The thing is that these are magnetic. So we can just pick it up. If they weren't, there was no way I could do this.
Alright, so let's go ahead and jump cut now.
So basically we're making sure we got everything on the trim piece. We put the 4 screws on. We plugged everything in. I think you've already showed that, right? Where everything goes for the most part.
The finished product and layout. I don't know, like this is, I don't know what this is. This plugs in the same spot as that giant speaker, so I don't know.
That was for the backup camera on the cars that had the backup cameras, I think.
Yeah, so I don't understand why that replaces that cheap speaker. I'm gonna wait to put this on maybe. And then, cause this is for like the RCAs for the subwoofers. I think this is a power wire maybe. Yeah. It's not labeled, of course.
Yeah, nothing is labeled, and things that are labeled are in a different language.
Or partially in. Alright, so I'm gonna try to put this in as carefully as possible.
I think we have everything plugged in that we need.
So this has to go this in. That's pretty much it. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a review, like AP was saying, later once I figure everything out. So yeah, thanks for joining us today, guys, and we'll see you next time.